Today we are comparing Strapi and Payload. If you're building a backend or CMS and not sure which one to choose, this video will help you decide quickly. Both Strapi and Payload are headless CMS platforms. They let you manage content and connect it to your frontend using APIs. First, let's talk about Strapi. Strapi is one of the most popular headless CMS tools. It's easy to set up and has a clean admin dashboard. You can manage content without much coding. It's great for beginners and small to medium projects. Now, Payload Payload is more developer focused. It gives you full control using code. It's built with TypeScript and works directly inside your app. It's better for advanced users and custom setups. Here's the main difference. Strapi is easier to use and beginner friendly. Payload is more flexible and powerful for developers. Now let's look at features. Strapi offers a visual admin panel, plugins, role management, and REST or GraphQL APIs. Payload offers full code control, built-in authentication, access control, and better customization. When it comes to performance, Payload can be faster because it runs directly in your app. Strapi may need more setup for advanced performance. Now pricing. Strapi is open source and free to use, but you pay for hosting and some enterprise features. Payload is also open source, but some advanced features may require license. So Strapi is easier and more plug and play. Payload gives more control but needs more coding. So which one should you choose? Choose Strapi if you want something simple, fast to set up, and easy to use. Choose Payload if you want full control, better performance, and you're comfortable with code. Both are great tools, it just depends on your needs. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.